Hey, welcome to the garage, folks. Today we're going to be replacing the O2 sensors on bank 1. A P137-O2 sensor circuit low. Voltage bank 1, sensor 2. First thing we got to do is remove the air filter cleaner so we can get to the sensors. So we're going to take this clamp off in the back here. Get as much of this air cleaner as we can out. We can get the front sensor out first. Well, let's hope that comes out easy because it doesn't look like it's going to come out easy. Alright, spray that lubricant oil. Holy crap. Holy shit. Hey, looks like it's gonna come off. That one came out easy.
That's not bad.
It's the other one that's worrying me.
Oh, the back one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at where it is.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that sensor is out right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now I gotta get that one in the back. Alright, got the special socket on there. We're gonna actually try and see if I can break that loose. I got my cameraman Mike over here. Wow. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. I don't think it sucks with this socket. You gotta keep taking it out. Oh wow, I can actually spin it by hand. Holy shit, that's a miracle. Why is all caught up? There we go. Alright, number 2's out. Anyway, this is the one that was bad. It was coming up on the code. Bank 1, sensor 2. Came out easier than I thought. So much for these heavy duty gloves. Alright, we're going with an NTK, which is supposed to be original to this vehicle. So the one on the back side is 23133. The direct fits. It's nice. It already comes with the anti-seize on it. Just want to match it up, make sure it's the same. Plugs are the same. Alright, looks good. Let's get this on. Right, as you screw this down, you got to keep the wire out of the way so you don't want to damage the wire. You know, so you're going to have to spin it as you tighten the damn thing down. Alright. Basically what you're going to do is you're just going to tighten it until you collapse that washer and it gets, you know, and you just snug it right down. And don't forget to plug it in. Can't get it. Alright, that's it. Number 2 oxygen sensor, which is after the converter, which is the biggest pain in the ass to do because it's way down in there. The connector's way in the back. So, but it's in. Came out easier than I thought. Now we're going to put number 1 oxygen sensor in on bank 1. Let's get this started first. Now as you turn it, you got to get that wire to go around so you don't break it. And remember, just tighten it to collapse that washer in place. And snug the shit out of it. It's my talk. Talk it to snug the shit out of it. There you go. Oops. Alright, you gotta talk to snug the shit out of it. That is actually a torque setting, folks. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. This one you'll probably be able to see. It's got some oil and stuff on it. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit with the electrical connector cleaner. Electric parts cleaner. I'm all out of it now. That's all I needed, just a little bit. Then I just put a little bit dielectric grease on my connectors, and then we put it together. Looks good. We're done. Bank 1, oxygen sensor 1 and 2 is in. That's it. I think that's it. Now I gotta put it back together. Oh, there you have it. Oxygen sensors are in. There is one thing I forgot to tell you. You're going to need a special tool to do the sensors. You're going to need a oxygen sensor socket wrench set. I picked this up at AutoZone. They got a good program there. It's called Borrow a Tool. You will put a deposit down when you get your tools there, but when you bring it back, you get your deposit back. So that's a good program at AutoZone. If you don't have this oxygen sensor sockets, that's a good program. So you can just run there and get them. You do need those special sockets. They got a special slit in them for the wire. You can try it with a wrench, but being as tight as some of these cars are today, not enough room for to get in certain areas. I reset the code, so that's all set. The light's out. It's going to take about 100 miles to reset the computer system. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful in some way. Leave some likes, comments below. Whatever you like. Thanks. Y'all take care. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.